Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to type @ symbol on keyboard. So let's start. So this is my Word document. So I just show you here the keyboard, and you can see here the shift key and plus @ sign on second number. See here, you just press the shift plus @ sign. Okay, and you can see the @ sign is added. Okay, and the second way, go to the insert tab. In symbols group, click on the symbol and click on the more symbols option, and here you see have a @ sign. Just click on it and click on the insert. Again I click on it and click on the insert. See here the @ sign is inserted. So this is a way you can type the @ sign on keyboard. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.